Tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You have a fear. You have a hesitation while speaking English. The biggest reason behind this problem is lack of practice. Yes, you heard right. More a person speaks in English, so the better he become fluent in English. But because of lack of practice, most of the people are not, able to speak in English. So don't worry, friends. I have a solution of your problem. So in this video, I'm going to share with you wonderful application. So application name is CB. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the application. So yes, what you need to do for downloading this application, you need to just go to the Play Store and write CB. Actually, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application. Okay, so you can see the logo of this application. So this is the logo of this application. You can see this is the logo of this application. And yes, here you can find two features, like practice with co-learners or practice with AI tutor, that is ARIA. Okay, if you touch this practice with AI, so it will ask some money, but you don't need to give money. Actually, this is paid membership and this is free and cost. You really want to speak in English, you really want to practice English, so yes, practice with co-learners, because in this feature is free and cost, you don't need to give money. Okay, so now I'm going to test this practice with a real partner. And yes, you can see start connecting. Okay, and it is searching, you can see it is searching. Very soon it will find your partner.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shamir.
Okay, your name is Samir. That's great.
Yes.
So Samir, are you a student?
No, of course I am not.
So you are a working professional?
Yes, I am working professional.
In where? In government sector or private sector?
In government sector.
That's great. Actually, I'm also a working professional in government sector.
So in which sector you are working?
I'm in education
Education.
department. Yeah.
So like, what's your post?
Actually, I am a principal in my school.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
You are good. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. And suddenly you say me good. You said me good morning. Why?
Because it's good evening. Sorry, because though you are a principal now, so I have to pay respect to you. No?
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. It's very, funny. Yes, I am a principal, and actually, I want to improve my English fluency. So that's why I am using this application. And someone said me that please use this application. With the help of this application, I can easily improve my English speaking skill. So that's
Okay.
why I am here.
So I have a question for the principal madam. Why you want to improve your English?
There are three or four goals. First goal is I really want to my English speaking skills. Second goal is my school is situated in a rural family. Always everywhere, all the family belongs in a rural poor family. I mean to say, all the
Okay, okay,
student.
I got it, ma'am. I got it. Like rural area, like the
Ah,
school
yeah,
is like
yeah, yeah, rural
primary
area.
school, like primary school.
Like primary composite type school. I mean to say, eighth class.
Okay, 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 okay. So it's above the okay, mid. Okay.
So
So
yes,
mid
English,
school.
yeah, English is the secondary language for them. So I thought, why not improve my English? Why not improve their English? So that's why.
But it feels like your English is already good.
Actually, not too good. Actually, I'm using this application, and I have not any exposure to expose my English. And oh,
Same here, madam.
oh,
Not it's not about your problem. It's like all Indian problem.
all
Don't
Indian
agree.
problems. Yes,
Uh,
you are right. All Indians problem. But I feel very happy. When I started learning this language. So yes, my school students also speak in English.
oh, really?
Yeah, they can easily create some little sentence like question answer sentence, daily uses. So yes, I think my goal is going to fulfill after some time.
Okay, that's a good thing. So I
So
think you did a great job.
yeah, thank you so much. And what do you do? Tell me something about yourself.
So yeah, I'm also a government employee. I'm working in railway. I'm a
Wow,
local pilot.
railway, that's great. Actually, my husband is also in railways.
Okay. So your husband is also in railway.
Ah,
Maybe some another department. So in which department?
personal department.
Okay, it's like in DRM office. So like your husband posting in
Yeah,
DRM
my
office.
husband is in DRM office. So what is your designation?
I'm a local pilot.
Okay, you are a loco pilot, but my husband is a DPO.
Oh, so your husband is an officer.
Yeah,
Like his rank is an officer level.
yeah.
Okay. That's very good.
So where
That's
are
why
you
you
from?
are a principal.
Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Tata Nagar. But
You are
I
from
live,
Tata Nagar. That's
I
great.
lived in Kolkata and studied from there. My all educational life from schooling to college. And right now I'm working in Odisha.
Okay. And I'm living currently. I'm living in Jhansi, and my husband, posted in Kumbh, Allahabad, Prayagraj,
Okay, Allahabad.
Prayagraj.
Okay, yeah. Prayagraj.
Yeah.
That's a very good thing.
So how long have you been using this application?
More than 2 months, but I'm not regular user.
You are not regular. Okay.
No.
Your English is good. So are you a convent student?
No, but I studied from Kendriya Vidyalaya, not convent.
Kendriya Vidyalaya. That's great.
Uh,
Okay. What is your, major educational degree?
it's a BTech.
BTech. That's great. So where did
BTech in
you
electrical engineering.
electrical engineering? Where did you? Okay. So where did you complete your degree?
Where or when?
Sorry. Where? Both same. Where and when?
Okay, I completed my degree from Salt Lake, Kolkata, Sector 5, Techno India, the name of the campus, and the year is 2019.
19. That's great.
Yes.
Okay. So you clear your IIT exam?
No, I cracked the JE. After that, I got the rank, and
Oh,
after that, I got admitted in that college.
okay. That's great.
Yes.
So this is your
Not
first.
happy.
So this is your first service in railway.
No, before that, I was working in a private company, L&T. It's a very famous company. I think earlier my job was good.
In private
Salary.
sector, but I think in government sector job is very
It's a
generally
mean.
good.
It's an average Indian, like people in the mean. The government is better. Like, I was working in a very reputed company. I have there lots of respect there. Okay,
Okay.
I am supervisor there, and here I have to work under some supervisor.
Okay. But
When I enter my, like trends, there is no supervisor. I am only the supervisor. But from outside, I have to listen their instruction.
okay. So you drive train, okay? Loco pilot. So this is your work.
Yes, this is my
Okay.
work.
Okay. So which kind of train do you drive? Like goods train or passenger trains or some bullet trains like electric.
The bullet trains are like it's not like launched in India till now. But
I know,
Vande
not
Bharat
in
is of
India,
course.
but yeah, we can say some trains are very, high
Yeah, so
speed.
you
So we
can
can
say
say bullet train. We
it's
can say
train 18 Vande Bharat. You can
Vande
say
Bharat.
Vande
Yeah,
Bharat.
yeah. My thing, my motto is just like Vande Bharat and some other train that
Vande Bharat Shatabdi.
Satabdi,
Okay.
Rajdhani. Yeah, these are some trains.
Rajdhani.
We can say bullet train in India.
Yes.
Okay. So so what do you think when you try and drive? First time when you drive your train?
Thinking.
Huh.
There is not, at that time I was not thinking anything. At that time I was very nervous.
Okay.
And but yeah. So while like in my first day I was very nervous. So my seniors told me that there is nothing to worry. Okay, just focus on the rules and whatever your signal. Just concentrate.
Okay.
Don't think anywhere. Be alert. All these things. They said.
Okay. That's great.
The main thing is that we have to not think anything while on duty. Okay, we have to think about only duty.
Only
the main
duty.
Thing is that.
Yeah. Okay. So that's great. Okay, you are enjoying your job. And so do you have in your mind that do you want to become or get some other thing in your life?
Other thing is other job.
Other job, yes, and
Yeah,
other
of course.
goal
Everyone is
that is
trying
your
here
mind.
to get some other. Of course, yeah. It's not about only only me. I think everyone, the new, like I'm talking about the new generation, like
Yeah.
my colleague of my age, everyone is preparing for some other exam like SSC, CGL, banking.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's not about only me. Yeah, of course, we are doing.
Okay. That's great. So thank you so much for this, nice conversation. And
Same here.
okay, so this is your, you have been using this application for 2 months, and yes, I am using this application whenever I get some time, and I find here some people. They generally, most of the people are trying to learn this language. Few people are very, naughty, I can say.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
but we generally focus on our goal.
Yes, of course.
Yes, so yes, this is the nice, application, and free on cost. See it while, doing conversation with this call. And yes, you can achieve these types of, points and improve your English speaking skill. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And yes, I find this application are very helpful, and I thought why not share this application with you guys, because I really wanted to improve my English along with your English. Okay, so yes, learn this language whenever get some time. Okay, and use this application. This is free and cost application. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to give money. Okay, so that's all about this application. We will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, just